So we're actually going to pull into Sullivan's truck repair here, just real quick, just to make sure that everything's all right. I know, I probably shouldn't be taking you on with me on my errands, but I promise to you all, these guys are fast. And maybe a little furious, now that we're just hopping in. But I just want to remind everyone to please remain seated and keep your arms nice inside the vehicle at all times, and hold on to all your personal belongings. And use those phones, you don't want to lose them. And looks like someone's trying to patch themselves through. I'll go ahead and let them in. Hello?
My name is Roman Pierce.
What's up?
Pleased to meet you.
Likewise.
My buddy Hobbs asked us to stash you short for a while.
Oh.
Brought you in our secret spot.
Okay.
Alright, look guys, we're gonna keep Shaw from finding you, but to keep you safe, we need your help. We don't want the syndicate tracking us here, so put away your cameras and turn off your cell phones. One flash or one ringtone could give us away.
I need y'all to take this real serious.
Okay, pull into the next bay and we'll meet you in there.
Sounds like a plan. Well, we'll go into this next bay here, see what plan they got for us. Don't like that a criminal is after us, but I'm sure that these guys have a plan, maybe a sort of meeting that we gotta go to make sure that all of our bases are covered and, whoa. Well, I guess this is still technically a meeting, just with loud music and dancing. It's a pretty fun meeting.
Everybody out! The FBI! Turn that music off!
Never mind, I guess. Wait, hello? Where are you? Oh, okay then. Hello? Roman?
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party, and where the other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Damn.
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Escort this novice out. Let's go, Cookie Puss.
Got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate.
Sure trust us. I was can't hold forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting. My Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Roman, grab your truck. I need you and Letty ready to roll.
Alrighty, everyone, time to throw on those 3D glasses if you haven't already. We'll use them as disguises and we'll head here into this parked garage. In the meantime, we'll just lay low so no flash photography. Don't want Owen Shaw catching us. And we'll stay here and wait for our next orders.